Welcome to Drop Zone Elite. So today we have this testnet called Liqfinity Testnet. Okay, so I'll be walking you guys through how to navigate through this particular testnet. It's a very easy one to do. Okay, so first thing first, to sign up, there is a link down there in the description. Once you click on it, you will have to get to this particular page. So to sign up for this particular testnet, you either sign up using your Gmail or you sign up using your X, but I would advise you sign up using your Gmail. Okay, so once you come here, you click on the Gmail and you log in. Okay, you sign up with it. So once you're done with your putting in your details, you have to still come back here and then log in. Okay, so once you log in to this particular testnet, this is the main dashboard. Okay, so now how this thing works, this particular testnet works, is that you have to borrow assets and also provide liquidity for it. Okay, so once you log into this particular testnet, automatically you'll be given the test token for this particular testnet. Okay, as you can see, I have 94,837 worth of dollars for this particular testnet. As you can see, the funds are not real, so they are just for testnet purpose. Okay, so just like I said, that one of the ways this particular testnet works is that you have to borrow funds, you have to borrow assets, and then provide liquidity from it. Okay, so now first of all, we have to come here. After you have signed up, you see this so once you have signed up and see this test token, that means you are ready to start. Okay, so now you come to this borrow section, you click on it, you scroll down. So as you can see, we have available collaterals. We are going to use this BTC, Ethereum, and Litecoin as assets to borrow USDT. Okay, so now you have to come here. First of all, let's start with this Ethereum. So once you come here, you borrow. So as you can see, I have up to 2,499 USDT to borrow with this particular what's it called, token. So once you come here, you can just borrow. If you want, you can go like 50%, 25%, or 75%. Okay, I think I should go with the 75% one. So once you click here, you then have to come here and then borrow. Okay, you confirm. Okay, as you can see, I have successfully borrowed USDT with Ethereum. Okay, so just like I said that you are using these things as an asset for you to borrow. Okay, so once you borrow now, next thing, you head down to provide liquidity. Okay, you come here, you click on lock. As you can see, the balance I have here is 1,000. That's the exact amount I borrowed. Okay, so I would like to lock up 75% of it. Okay, you lock up, confirm, see, successfully locked up. Okay, now I'm done. So now so as you can see, this is how it works. You lock and then unlock, you earn, and then you claim. So now this one is just mainly the testnet phase. Okay, so you borrow assets, you come here, you lock up. Okay, and you can then unlock anytime you want to unlock. For the main nets, I think it's 21 days before you unlock. Okay, but this is just for testnet purpose. Okay, and then you earn points every hour. Okay, every hour you earn points. Okay, and the rewards that you accumulate, they're going to be sent to your USDT wallet in the dashboard each hour. Okay, so you come here, you borrow, you lock. As you can see, the ones I locked here, as you can see here, the total value I've locked is that amount that I locked here. Okay, so now next thing I'm going to do is still go back there and then borrow more funds. Okay, so we have done with this Ethereum. So now next thing I'm going to borrow with BTC. Okay, I come here now, I click on borrow, I still go with the 75%. If you like, and go for the max. Okay, but me, I'm going for the 75. Okay, I come here now, I borrow. Okay, borrow, and then I confirm. See, borrow USDT with BTC successful. Okay, now great. So now as you can see, I have borrowed. The next thing I'm going to do is to head towards providing liquidity for it. I come here, click on lock, I go with the 75%, I lock, confirm. See, successful. Okay, so I've done for both BTC and ETH. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go for the Litecoin one. So I come here to I borrow, okay, I go with 75%, okay, I confirm, okay, great, I'm done with the borrowing. The next thing I'm going to do is just to go and supply liquidity for it. So I come here, I click on lock 75%, okay, I lock up, okay. So see, I'm done, okay. So now you go back to borrow. So for now, this Tron asset, you can't borrow with this for now. We don't have any collateral attached with this this TRX coin, okay. So you can only borrow for Litecoin, BTC, and then the Ethereum one, okay. So once you borrow, you go here and then you supply liquidity, okay. So just like I said, that how this thing works is that you can lock. Of course, we have done the locking one. I can then come here, unlock any amount I want to unlock. The total amount I've locked is about 66,000 USDT, okay. So I can come here anytime, unlock the percentage I want, unlock, and then it automatically, as you can see here, unlock any amount at any time. See, once I unlock, it automatically reflects in my dashboard, okay. But for now, I don't want to unlock, okay. So because the way you earn from this particular place by locking, okay. So once you lock, you leave it and then you accumulate points from it, okay. So now that's basically how you earn from this particular testnet, okay. You borrow assets, you now provide liquidity for it. So as you can come here, you can see that the number of the of course we borrowed for BTC, Litecoin, and Ethereum. As you can see, that's the history for the number we borrowed, okay. The total one we borrowed is here. We still have up to like 23,000 available assets to borrow. So if I still want to borrow, I can still go back and still borrow again, okay, which I'm still going to do. I just come back here, borrow for the remaining ones here, and then still lock them up, okay. So that's how you earn from this particular one. So now another way you can also earn here is by also referring as well too. So you come here, you copy your link here, share with your friends. Even as they log in with your details, you accumulate points for yourself, okay. So so next you're going to do is to go to leaderboard and then check your positioning for this particular airdrop, okay. So now basically this is how this particular testnet works, okay. So it's a very easy one to do, and I will encourage everybody to get into this particular testnet, okay. So so just like I said, you earn by borrowing and also providing liquidity. You just come here, borrow for each or all these BTC, Litecoin, Ethereum, borrow for them, and then go here and then lock it up, okay. So that's all for this particular one. So if you have any question, you ask there down the comment section. I will do it to answer all your questions, okay. So for now, that's all for now. So any updates on this particular testnet, I will do it to ensure that you guys know. So you just do it by following us, subscribe, like, and share this particular video, okay. So thank you so much.